All right, let's go. 130 pounds, State of Ohio girls high school preview brought to you by Barbarian Apparel. Conquer the impossible. 130 pounds is loaded with a lot of returning state qualifiers. I've got 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means 4 newcomers at this weight. 130 pounds is going to be top heavy with veterans. And it starts at number 1, Kira Cole. Kira Cole from Miami East is now a senior. She's a 2-time state place winner. She's a returning state champ from 2 years ago. She takes first at 115 2 years ago. Cole from Miami East. She takes runner-up last year at 135. Okay, so she is only used to being at, on the raised platform on Sunday night at the Schottenstein Center. Kira Cole is Fargo All-American. So she is somebody that you're going to want to keep an eye on. In my opinion, she's the front runner. She's on the bottom side of the bracket. I believe that she's going to be sitting in the finals. Again, girls, please prove me wrong. This is not by any means discounting anybody else in this bracket. It's just what I look at on paper. So Cole, number 1. Number 2, Sophia Antonio from North Royalton. The senior is a returning state place winner. She took 6th last year at 135. Number 3, Emma Shepard from Massillon Perry. She is a sophomore, and as a freshman last year, she took 4th at 125. Number 4, Alora Strouser from Kettering Alter. She is a junior. She is now a 3-time state qualifier. Number 5, Bella Indigma Mbappe from Olentangy Orange. Bella is a sophomore. She is took 4th last year at 115 pounds. So she's going to be somebody to watch. We'll get into that in just a minute. Evie Shank, ranked number 6 from Napoleon. She's a 3-time state qualifier up to this point, now 4 because she's a senior. Last year she took 2nd at this weight class. She took number 2 at this weight class, and Shank is all the way down to the 6th place spot. Number 7, Liberty Johnson from Northeastern is a junior. She is now a 3-time state qualifier. Number 8, Emily Flynn is a 4-time now state qualifier. She must be a senior then, because I have her taking 4th at 125 and qualifying in 2023, and then 2024. I have her as taking 6th last year. So I apologize if I have your grade wrong, Emily. You might be a senior. You might be a junior. And maybe I have it wrong on that side. But I do know that you are a place winner returning. So Addison Justice from Licky Valley is a junior. She's a 2-time state place winner, taking 7th in each of the last 2 years. 7th at 120, 7th at 125. Justice from Licking Valley is number 9. Number 10 is the first newcomer. So all the way down at rank number 10 is the first time we see somebody new to the field here. Carly Sardina from Caledonia River Valley is a junior. Welcome to the shot. Number 12, Kaylee Scott from Washington Courthouse, a junior. Welcome to the shot. Olivia Olive is a returning state qualifier from 2 years ago. Didn't qualify last year. Olive, the junior from Harrison, sees herself at 13. Then we have Cora Frederick at 15. Is a returning state qualifier as well. I skipped over Swiger. I apologize. Lena Swiger from Akron Springfield. Welcome to the big dance. You are a freshman, and tear it up out there. All right. Kat Jens did not qualify. I got Martinsik from Orange. Natalie Martinsik is a returning state qualifier. It's Lehman from Salina that is a first-time state qualifier. She is a sophomore. All right. So let me talk to you a little bit about the bracket here at 130. A couple of circled matches here for you. In the opening round, I think you're going to want to watch bout number 498. It's going to be on mat number 10. 498, Liberty Johnson versus Emily Flynn. Liberty Johnson, the junior from Claremont Northeastern, and Emily Flynn is from Hubbard. I circled that match because we've got Flynn sitting at number 8 and Hubbard sitting at... Oh, I'm sorry, Flynn. That's why I can't find it. Flynn from Hubbard. I apologize. Flynn from Hubbard is at 8. So 7 versus 8 here in the opening round. You're going to want to watch that. That's about 498. Into the quarterfinals, if things go scratch, you're going to have Antonio versus Strouser. Keep an eye on that match. It's going to be about 978 on match 6. Strouser versus Antonio. That's going to give you a chance to see the top 5 matchup in Sophia Antonio, who's ranked 2nd, and Strouser, who's ranked 4th. Now, those two flip-flop rankings when it comes to the eyeball test that Jeff does versus Dubstat that's done purely on stats and power of schedule and wins and all that kind of stuff. So either way you look at those two rankings, you have 2 versus 4. Circle that match number 6, about 978, Strouser versus Antonio. Then the next round, whoever wins that match, in my opinion, is going to have Bella from Olentangy Orange. That's going to be a semifinal one to watch. She's tough. I do think she's on a mission this year. I think she's going to want to see herself in that final, giving herself a shot against Cole, who I believe makes it all the way to the finals. So that semifinal match, number 170, is going to be on mat number 1. That's going to be one to watch as well. All right, that does it for 130 pounds, brought to you by Barbarian Apparel. Conquer the impossible.